Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where text message notifications are not showing on iPhone, so you stop missing the important SMS alerts. So first of all, you need to check whether the notification settings for your messages are on. For that, simply come inside the settings of your iPhone device. Over here among the given options, simply come here inside notifications. In the notifications, you just have to scroll down and look for the messages application. When you are here inside the messages application, on the top the first option would be of allow notifications. So make sure that it is green or it is turned on. If it is turned off, you just have to turn it on. Also make sure that you turn on the lock screen, the notification center and the banners options as well, so that the alerts appear everywhere. Now you need to tap on the option of sound here. Then make sure that the tone that you have selected and it is not set as none. So if it is set as none, you just have to choose any of the ringtones from the given options over here. So this ensures that you hear the alerts when messages arrive. Now you can also try turning off the do not disturb. For that, you just have to come inside the settings of your device again. Over here in the settings, simply look for the option of focus. In the focus, you need to check if the do not disturb option or any focus mode is active. As you can see, I have do not disturb and currently it is not active. But in your case, if it is active, you just have to simply turn it off, or you need to allow messages as an exception, The focus mode is one of the biggest reasons why the notifications disappear. So I highly recommend you to try both of these methods and see if the text message notifications are showing on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.